Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, back with a little toy review, a retro one. Here's another 2003-2004 Cobra. This one's by Testors, and so this is a assembly model that you'll put together. It's very easy. It has a screwdriver, a few screws, and a lot of the pieces will just pop on. So this is the 1/32 scale, and it's pretty much the same model as the Mach 1 that I just put together. A lot of the pieces, including the floorboard and everything, look like they're made the same. And just a little bit difference on the wheel. So on the reverse side, it gives you the instructions, 6 simple steps, and you're already done. So this is a fun thing to put together on an afternoon with another small child or something. But anyway, this is what the body looks like, and they did a really good job for the 0304 Cobra parts. Of course, the valence on the bottom needs to be painted black, but Cobra lettering's good. The rear wing is good. SVT decal, it's a little high, but it's all there. And looking underneath, looks like they gave you the independent rear suspension with the exhaust matching as well, which is the same on the Mach 1 models. And so this will have opening doors, but that's it. And here's the pieces that it comes with. You can see it has the windshield, the screwdriver, dashboard, interior, and some wheels. And so we're going to start by just running our little shaft through here and popping the wheels on. So they just press on. The interior now drops down into place here. And on the, you'll notice the headrests are backwards. It has the seat belt guards on the inside. But you'll notice on the diagram it shows the front seats as a different piece, but it came all as one piece for the interior. Next, we're going to drop the windshield in here. And it also has the interior that comes on top of that same piece. Then you take the 2 black screws and put them in. And then we drop the body down onto the plastic here. And then it's just 2 more screws in the front and the rear. This is what it looks like. I think they did a pretty good job. Of course, you might tell I have the Mach 1 wheels on it because one of the wheels actually broke. It's the same model basically, but as I was pushing one of these wheels on, it broke. And so I don't know what was going on with that, but it snapped in half. So I'll have to use one of the Mach 1 wheels. Luckily, that model comes with 2 floors, one for the remote control and the other as just a model, as you probably saw in the other video. But anyway, it's kind of cool to have a yellow, especially, I think, yellow Mustang Cobra. And so, yeah, anyway, that's the way that it turned out. I think it's a nice little model for what it is. Please check the video description for more videos like this. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.